Hi, welcome to Character Modeling and Texturing for Game, the complete pipeline course. In this course, you will learn to sculpt, retopo and texture an animation ready character for game using ZBrush, Maya, Topogun and Substance Painter. Do you want to learn the full process to make a character for game? If so, then this is the course for you. My name is Nalin. I'm a 3D modeling and texturing artist and educator. I have been teaching since 2008 at various institutions such as JICA, Reliance Education and Arena Animation. I have also worked as a character modeling and texturing artist at Lakshya Digital and Dhruva Interactive. At the end of the course, you will be able to create beautiful looking characters for game using ZBrush, Maya, Topogun and Substance Painter. Let's see how the course is designed and what's there for you. The course is 23 hours long. There would be 13 modules covering sculpting, retopo, UV unwrapping, baking maps and texturing. In the first module, you will learn ZBrush from scratch, sculpting and polypainting basics by working on a small stylized head project. And then in the second module, I am going to start the main character project and you will learn how to start and block in the character from scratch using Dynamesh and G-Sphere. Then in the third module, you will learn how to block in the clothing of the character using different method I use in production. In the fourth module, you will learn how to define the face features and making it look beautiful. In the fifth module, you will learn how to sculpt stylized hair using G-Modeler and some specific brushes. Then in the sixth module, I will show you how to sculpt stylized clothing and wrinkles. Then in the final module, you will learn all about modeling and sculpting hard surface objects by using G-Modeler, Dynamesh and some other techniques. In the 8th module, you will learn Maya basics, and this module is for absolute Maya beginners. In the 9th module, I will do the character retopology in Maya, Topogun and ZBrush. We are going to start with Maya Retopo, and here you will learn how to use Quadro tool for retopology. And then I am going to switch to Topogun, a specialized retopo software. And you are going to learn its magical tools to retopo your character with speed. Then we are going to see how we can also use ZBrush to create low poly. In the 10th module, you are going to learn character UV unwrapping using Maya 2018 new UV tools. Here I am going to show you various ways to unwrap and some new powerful tools. And finally, we are going to create the main UV layout. In the 11th module, I am going to start baking various maps such as normal map, ambient occlusion, curvature, position and thickness maps and color ID map using Substance Painter. I am also going to show you how to eliminate any errors in those maps. In the 12th module, we are going to texture the character inside Substance Painter. First I am going to start with the very basics of the software and then I am going to texture the clothing. You are going to learn how to create leather jackets. Later I am going to make the character looks a little dirty by adding a dirt layer. Then I am going to work on the skin and the makeup of the face and we are going to paint the eyes next. Then I will put some metal materials on the hard surface parts. Then you will learn how to create glowing emissive parts. And finally we are going to render out our character with eye ray. Then in the final module, I am going to conclude and wrap up the course. I have designed this course keeping beginners in mind, but it can be very useful for intermediate to advanced character artists and students who wants to create their own characters from start to finish, but struggles with it because they lack step-by-step guidance. Feel free to check out the course description and the course outline below to see everything that is included in this course. There is 30 days money back guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the course, then you can refund it within 30 days. So literally there isn't any risk at all. So go ahead and click on the enroll button and I can't wait to see you creating 3D characters for game. This is Nalin. I thank you for enrolling to the course and I'll see you in the first lecture.